Hello, my besties. How are you? So nice of you to stop by. And if you happen to be here for the first time, welcome. My name is Kathy, and it's my DIY channel. We do a lot of fun projects on a budget here. So if you like crafting and saving a ton of money, please consider hitting the subscribe button and becoming our bestie. My puppy Coco just joined me. Coco, say hi. In today's video, I'm bringing to you again a football wreath. Thanks so much for all the love I got with the previous football wreath form. I'm so happy you liked it, and as promised, here's part two, something completely different. I hope you're gonna like it. Let's get started. So you're gonna need the football wreath form, and don't be upset if you haven't seen it yet at your Dollar Tree. It's a brand new item, so be on the lookout. Also, they have them on the website, except you have to buy 24 of them. We will cover this form with a yellow burlap. I found it at Walmart. And you need just one roll. It's 5.5 inches by 15 feet. In addition, you're gonna need color coordinating ribbons and some greenery. I found mine at a Dollar Tree, as well as other flowers also from Dollar Tree. I will also be using one of these metal wards and 8 yellow pipe cleaners. Wondering what we're gonna be making? The obvious one was football, and we did it already. What else does this shape remind you of? Yes, a lemon. Isn't that a perfect lemon shape? And I know so many of you love the lemon decor because this is one of my most popular videos. You love the lemon wreath that I created last year, as well as so many centerpieces, tablescapes, signs. So I'm very excited to add one more to the collection. And this is gonna be an easy one, I promise you. First, we're gonna attach the pipe cleaners. I do 2 rails at a time, twist tie, and then go in between them and twist tie one more time. That way it won't slide up and down. Let me show you on the other side. I grab 2 rails by inserting my pipe cleaner between the second and third rail. I twist tie it and then insert a pipe cleaner between the first and second rail and twist tie there. All right, so we got 2 on, and now let's add 2 more in between these. Just grab 2 rails there. And 1 more. We're gonna do 4 ties on each side. All right, let's do the same thing on the other side. And here you can see exactly what we did. And now let's gather up the burlap, pinch it all together, and attach it to the first pipe cleaner. Twist tie twice, fold it under, and take it to the other side. Make sure you cover that outer rail. And when you reach the other side, you pinch your burlap again and twist tie it to the first pipe cleaner there. Looking good. Now you can flip your form on the other side, pull that burlap straight across, and tie it down to the second tie. All right, back on top, just spread it out nicely, and we're gonna run it across again to the other side, pinch it nicely there, and twist tie to the second pipe cleaner. All right, flip it to the back again, pull that burlap straight across, and tie it down to the third pipe cleaner. Okay, spread it out nicely across the top of the form. Take it to the other side, do a nice pinch there, and tie it down to the third pipe cleaner. Straight across the back again, and tie it down to the fourth pipe cleaner. Now we're gonna spread it out nicely all across the top of the form. Make sure you cover that outer rail on the other side and pinch it nicely and tie it down to the fourth pipe cleaner on that side. All right, we have covered the whole form and we have a little bit of burlap left. Take a look at this. It is a little bit see-through, so I decided to use the remainder of burlap. So we finished on top, so now we have to run it straight across the back, and we're gonna attach it there to the second pipe cleaner. I know we don't have enough to do the whole thing, all the 4 pipe cleaners, and we probably don't need to. As you can see, I'm gonna spread it out nicely and run it across the second layer. And I'm gonna tie it down to the second pipe cleaner on the other side. Pinch it all together and twist tie there. All right, and now let's run it straight across the back and twist tie it to the third pipe cleaner. Okay, and let's spread it out nicely across the top of the form. And this is gonna be our last piece. We're gonna tie it down on the other side to the third pipe cleaner. This piece that is left here is just enough to run across the back. So let me just do that, might as well. I'm gonna pull it straight across. You see it's not enough to go on top. And I'm just gonna tie it down to, I guess, the first pipe cleaner. All right, we have covered the whole form. Let's just fluff it up a little bit and make sure we have a nice lemon shape. And I'm just gonna hide that piece in the back underneath. And look how beautiful that looks all around. Let's just grab all these pipe cleaners and twist tie them all together. Hi, Nosy Coco. Are you trying to steal the show again? I'm just gonna fold these under later on. In the meantime, I'm gonna twist tie the other side as well and create like a little stem there. Yes, let's just hide it underneath. Nice and neat. I like that. I have some wired jute cord here. You can also use any wire actually, and just tie it all around the stem to make it stronger. Cut it off and we have a nice little stem there. Now we can attach a bow to it. What do you think? Does it look like a yellow football? I hope not. I really like the way it looks all around, and I'm ready to decorate it. It's up to you what you want to do. You might want to just attach a couple green leaves to it, or you can do the bow and flowers and all the other fun stuff that I'm going to do. Personal choice. This is just for your inspiration. First, we are going to make my subscriber's favorite, the Bestie bow. It is very easy. All you need is just 6 pieces of ribbon, 24 inches long. First, measure 5 inches loop, pinch it, and hold it with your thumb. Then take the next color, measure 5 inches, pinch, hold it with your thumb. And continue doing that with all your ribbons, alternating all the colors. Most important is that all the loops are about the same size. Next, you grab a floral wire and tie it all together. And now all you have to do is just fluff, fluff, fluff until a beautiful bestie bow will appear. It's easy as that. That's why all my besties love it so much. And even a beginner crafter can do it. Even bow challenged person can do it. Anybody can do it. Right? Right, my besties? Tell them. Please raise your hand up and let me know who had tried the bestie bow yet. It is a great addition to any wreath, lantern, present, Christmas tree. Just make those tails as long as you need and continue fluffing, and you see the beauty appears right in front of your eyes. Just watch what it does with this lemon. So we have this plain lemon, right, made out of burlap, Dollar Tree form. But then we attach a bestie bow to it and ba-bam! All of a sudden, this looking fabulous, right? If you don't want to, you don't even have to do anything else. We're going to keep it budget friendly. I'm just going to cut up some Dollar Tree florals. And first, let me show you how I make a hanger out of this wired jute cord. Of course, you can use any wire there. Just attach it to one of the wires underneath there and twist tie at the top. Cut it off, turn it around, and you see how nicely you can hide it there. You can also shift it up and down that rail to adjust the angle at which you want your wreath to hang. We're gonna start off by adding some green leaves around our bow. Once you like the position, you're gonna use your hot glue to attach it. You can also twist tie the flower stem around the lemon stem. Next, we are going to add a few amaryllis stems. Now let's add some lemon blooms. And daisies are great because they're white and they have a yellow center which coordinates well. We add one at the top and another one diagonally at the bottom. I need one more. Let's see what else will look good. I think I like a big white daisy. I'm not too crazy about it there for some reason. Let me just switch it underneath and smaller one on top. Yes, I think I like that much better. And we're gonna put a butterfly right here. That's why you don't glue anything down. Just play around with the placement first. I think we need a few more tiny blooms. And how about that metal board? If you're gonna put your wreath on the door, most definitely. If you're gonna hang it in your kitchen, maybe you don't need it. I attached it with just a couple drops of hot glue. And then those tiny blooms. And once you're done with everything, hang your wreath, take a step back, and see what else could be done. I feel like my lemon needs to be a little rounder on the sides. So I just take some old pillow stuffing and I'm just gonna insert right there at the top and bottom. I really think it helped. I think this is it. Any lemon lovers out there? Please let me know what you think. So did you like that? I hope you did. Please make sure you hit the like button. Consider subscribing because I have many more creative ideas for you. If you hit the notification bell, YouTube will notify you when I upload a new video. And thanks so much for watching. See you next time. Take care, my besties. Bye bye.